You can select this part and simply press Ctrl D and it will duplicate the part. So you can create as many parts as you want by simply doing Ctrl D. And to remove one part or other, you can simply select that part which you want to remove and press delete. You can also get it back by simply undoing it. So for undo, you can press Ctrl Z and that part should appear. There's other way that you can also modify this. So you simply click on the part and that part will be highlighted in the Explorer window. So you go there, do the right click and delete. So this is something that would come handy. There's another property that is important to understand is transparency. So under this section of appearance, you will find transparency mentioned there. So there is also shape and size. So you can change the size here from here as well. You simply move, you simply change this number, X, Y, and Z value, and the size will be changed. So these are three dimensions which uh, basically you can find out from scale as well. So instead of doing this, you can manually change the value that is assigned to the X, Y, and Z direction and scale it up. Now coming back to the transparency aspect, transparency is basically uh, how opaque or transparent your object is. So I'm going to change its transparency to 100, and it's so transparent that it's transparent like a glass and I can't see through. Now let me reduce the transparency to 2 and see what it looks like. So sometimes your uh, object may be invisible because of the internet connectivity issue, or it could be because your uh, transparency value is very high. So here there is another property called reflectance. So now the transparency is 0 and reflectance is 34. So reflectance is basically this uh, you know uh, kind of illuminating property. So whenever you are designing games and you want to have uh, a fantasy world kind of a feeling, then you can simply play around with reflectance and transparency and create your objects. So let me come back to the reflectance level 1, and now it has this metallic feel to that object. So this is what reflectance and transparency would do to your three-dimensional objects.